Hey guys, so today I wanted to talk about the Salesforce Open Source Commons and Community Sprint in Salesforce Tower in San Francisco. Since I come from a hacker background, this community sprint really felt like a hackathon, but on the Salesforce platform to develop solutions primarily in the nonprofit and education sectors. My project was on the scholarship tracking, and that was revolving around the education sector as it's a huge problem and struggle to go through all the scholarship applications. So we were trying to build a single platform for people to mass send out these scholarship applications or track them. Here are some of the open source commons values and mission statement and impact and innovation. And this is a pretty cool project. I haven't seen any other tech companies like from Google, Meta, or Amazon doing anything similar. So if anyone else sees other projects being done in tech, please let me know because I'm really interested in this. But the end result is that it brings together some of the greatest minds in the Salesforce industry, or anyone can help contribute to these projects that are in these education or nonprofit sectors. So to be frank, this was a pretty intimidating experience initially, and I was really scared going into the sprint as I didn't know who I'd be paired up with. But as I talked to people, a lot of people were in the same position as me, and it could be pretty intimidating as there are some really awesome people like Daniel Peter, who has like 30 something certifications, and it's really intimidating to talk to those people. But at the end of the day, we're just trying to achieve the higher goal of serving the world and trying to make the world a better place. So here on the GitHub repository, it says exactly what we worked on and accomplished. And I actually have access to the document, so I can just briefly share what we accomplished here. So we kind of decided an MVP on a whiteboard, and the next step is to make a Figma prototype on the idea. So right here is what we call an entity relationship diagram. So understanding what relates to what data. So when they're filling out the form, does it auto-populate or is it a text field? So you can see this is the scholarship, this is a count, so maybe an organization, and there would be users who are filling it, and then there would be a scholarship contact that people can talk to, and there's a cycle, and then there's an application. So essentially it's a little bit complicated, but it's important to fully flesh out the data model so it's easier when you build out the prototype and product. So this is some of the stuff we were working on, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and just please leave me your thoughts if you really enjoyed this type of content, and see you in the next one.